Okay guys, for anybody who wants to know how to get to their Rebound or Midvalve in a Showa or KYB closed cartridge fork, it's not bad at all. Basically, you're going to have to take this nut off and it's going to fall through the back side. Now sometimes you can get this nut off by just holding the shaft with your hand, but you cannot damage the shaft. So I use a Racetech damper rod holder here. I've also 3D printed them in the past with no issue. You're going to hold that. That's going to allow you to break this nut loose. This is a 17. This nut off. And then I'm going to take this out of the vise, and this rod is going to go straight through. Now, one thing to remember is whenever you go to put it back together, put some grease on these threads, because there is a seal in here and you do not want to mess up that seal or you're having a bad day. So grease up these threads real good and push it back through. Alright, hope that helps somebody out. See you in the next one.